So these are the problems. So all this almost past about 30 minutes I have been talking about the knowledge, I am imparting about the knowledge about the hair. Finally, what are the problems we face? Hair fall? Yes. Hair breakage? Yes. Weak hair? Browny hair? Gray hair? Very, very big issue now. Baldness? Head lice and itch mites? Very minimum. Not many of people will have. Dandruff? It's a fungal infection. I have not talked about it in the previous slides. Dandruff is very, very common and it is caused by a fungal infection. And that also we have the solution. Next few slides you will understand how we can tackle each and everything. Next is the oily scalp and face. Very common. And scalp bacterial infections. These are the big problems for not for everyone. Say somebody will have hair fall, somebody will have hair breakage, somebody will have a weaker hair or graying hair. So for many people, almost we can cover each and every human being across the world among these problems. Yes or not? Done. So what is the solution? We all know. You know. Proper certification. We have come out after proper clinical trials. We have bought in this Super Sera for complete scalp and hair follicle issues for its health. Okay, it's a Ayurvedic proprietary medicine. We have bought it as a 250 ml spray bottle to make sure not even a single drop is wasted. Each and every drop in Super Sera is an excellent medicine. So we don't want to waste it by providing with a say open bottle. We are given with a spray. Each bottle can bring out approximately 1,500 sprays. 1,500 spray per bottle, plus or minus maybe 50 depending on the climate. So Super Sera is there with us. What is it made of? All from very strong backup of medical literature. We have aloe in it. We have nimba in it. We have vetiver in it. Most of the slides, next few slides you will understand. It's very common. We have seen it day to day in our life. It's all there for strengthening our roots, our hair follicle roots. Tinospora cardiifolia. Next is the indigo. We generally call it as indigo or nili. And we have Lawsonia inermis and Hibiscus rosa sinensis and Goduma or wheat leaf extracts and Tulasi also there. How it is going to be useful, how it is going to take care of our scalp as well as hair follicle, I'll let you know in next few slides. Next is the Ocimum sanctum or Tulasi, and next is the Phyllanthus niruri. We call it as Kila Nelli in Tamil. Next is the Bringaraj, Eclipta alba. Next is the Glycyrrhizia glabra. Then Soralia corifolia. These are the base ingredients in our Super Sera to make sure we get relieved of all the major hair, follicle and scalp issues out of us.